We have some news right now. On November 7th, the United States Supreme Court will meet to discuss whether or not.
If I can be honest, there are times when I'm about to film here and I thought I had something I wanted to say, and then I struggle. I'm like trying to find my words together about how I want to articulate everything and say it all. And the words that I can find right now is that all the progress that we have made in America is attempting to be undone within less than a year. All of the progress that we have made for this country over our years attempting to be undone in such a short time. Because it's so easy to break something, it's harder to build it, and it takes time to build it. November 7th, the Supreme Court is going to be meeting whether to take on the case to end gay marriage. And I have friends who are in that community. And if you're going to ask me if I believe that the Supreme Court won't take that away, I don't trust them. They're the ones who went out of their way to say that people can be racially profiled. Um, they removed Roe v. Wade. One of the struggles, I'll finish up with this because, I'm having a hard time finding my words, but one of the struggles that I really have a lot here is just to see how much damage that has been able to be caused within less than a year. And again, one of my other biggest struggles is really to see um, how accepting people are of dictatorship, how accepting people are of the cruel behavior, to hate people who are different, to hate people who struggle, to hate people who look so differently, that love differently, pray differently. The fact that they hate America. They like to say that, our No Kings Day was a hate America, when in reality, those who stand against it and those who um, can't stand people that are different, they are the ones who truly hate America, because America was built to be diverse. It was built to be diverse with different cultures, different religions, and that extends upon to people who can love differently um, than, the expected man and woman. Again, just because you don't understand it, it doesn't mean that you have to give your input on everything. It doesn't mean that you have to hate everything. Sometimes just say that you don't understand, or just don't say anything at all. You don't have to understand why someone would want to be a transgender. That's fine. You don't have to get it. Just because you don't get it, just because you don't understand something in science, does that mean you hate science? I Again, my I don't have hope. I don't have hope that this will be upheld. I don't know. I'd like to be surprised in a good way, because if they take on the case, you expect me to believe the Supreme Court is going to say, yeah, we'll allow gay marriage to stay. You expect me to believe that? Again, this is the same Supreme Court that went against the Constitution and said that people are allowed to be racially profiled. That's not the that's not constitutional. They don't care. All the progress that America has made over its years is being undone by this entire regime. But we have fought for what our soldiers served and died for, sacrificed for. They're undoing all of it and still brainwashing people to believe that it's all patriotism. They don't want to progress. You know, that's. I'm sorry. Let me keep going just a little bit more. Um, that's why I've never understood why people would like why choose the name of conservative. What's in the first three letters? Con. Like what Trump is, a con man. Progressive. Us means to progress. Progress. Move forward. Calls a liberal. Well, liberal is close to liberty. I guess that's all I've got. I don't know. I don't know.